Typhoons and heavy rains flood the Philippines every year, but did you know a single mangrove seedling can stand between disaster and safety? Mangroves have wild, tangled roots that work like living shields. These roots don't just absorb water, they break up powerful flood currents, slowing them down before they hit land. Without mangroves, water rushes in fast, sweeping away homes. But with these unique roots, floodwaters are deflected and energy is lost. Mangroves even trap soil, stopping erosion. Every seedling is more than a tree. It's a shield for your community. Subscribe and plant hope today.